Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Samsung Galaxy Tab Active4 Pro, and let me share with you how to add or remove a Google account in this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here in this left section we have to scroll down in order to find either the accounts and backup or Google. It's up to you, I prefer this one, so let me tap on it and tap on manage accounts. Now let's tap on add account and choose on Google. Make sure that you've got the internet connection because it is required, and then in this step we can either create a new account if you do not have your own yet, or simply type your email or phone. So let me do it. At least let me try to do it. Okay. And then tap on next. Right here we have to enter the password, so let me do this out of the screen. Okay, now let's tap on next. Here we've got Google Terms of Service and Privacy Policy, so of course you can read it, just tap on it, and there you've got the info, and tap on I agree after reading. Here we've got the shortcut of backup and storage info, so just tap on accept. And as you can see, we just successfully added our Google account to this device. Of course, you can also remove the account whenever you want to. Just tap on it, tap on remove account, tap on remove account again. If you're sure, tap on OK. And your device will need the verification, so either use pattern or any kind of other screen lock you've got. And as you can see, the Google account will immediately disappear. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.